Again, this is why I come to Hershey. This is a 29 Delage D6. Jeez. Now look at the way how the brakes are adjusted. Yeah, that's the brake adjustment because it's all cable.
Oh, no kidding.
That was not unusual on 29.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that was
Again, I love the way how the pan, that cast pan, actually works as a member of the chassis. Looks like an overhead cam. I'm going to have to double check on that. That is remarkable. That's very innovative. These were not inexpensive cars. These were quite a car.
I'll send you a note and see, and you can. I was hoping it was the cable.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, that's what
Excuse me, is that overhead cam?
yes.
That's amazing. Gear driven, I presume?
Huh?
With the shaft going up?
Yeah. And everything is in, and they figured out even in 29 that everything should be enclosed, just to help with the wear and tear and debris and all other things like that. So, yeah, that's
Remarkable, absolutely remarkable. How many horsepower? Do you have any idea?
probably 135.
Yeah, that's very good for 29.
29. That, I mean, this car will go 55 miles an hour easy. So
Yeah.
that was fast back then.
Oh yeah. Good luck at finding a road which could support such speeds.
Yes. Yeah. There was not. None of those roads were paved.
No, no. This is gorgeous.
Oh,
just gorgeous. Very good. How are you doing?
Open the hood for you, and you want to see that, but we're good to go.
Oh, you got it already. You knew I was coming, so you baked a cake.
That's right. Not a Model K Ford this year, but you know, we try.
This is phenomenal.
6-cylinder.
Overhead cam, which impresses me no end. I love that carburation. That's wild.
that was my looked up at that and went, oh. I said, I hope I don't have to rebuild that because I'm going to need need some guidance from someone smarter than myself.
You can't.
A watchmaker to rebuild this carburetor
Yeah.
because it's so small. That's the carburetor. That's it.
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
Oh my gosh. So in other words, that's your carburetor, that's your float and such?
Basically, yeah.
Oh, jeez. That's insane. Wow. Now, is that same basic principle that the vacuum would pull the needle up and down?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. You know, you get your little flags on
Exactly,
there, like
exactly.
VSUs.
Get some time set aside.
Yeah, no problems. Hello, YouTube. You know, no problems on that. This is gorgeous.
Oh, thank you very much.
This is
It was in
gorgeous.
long-term, medium-term storage, so we just woke it up. We have a few things we want to do to it, but no, it's a very capable car, and it's nimble. It's pretty light for back roads. You know, it has a nice amount of power.
Right.
But it's sort of like a 3-liter Bentley-esque in terms of handling, and it doesn't take a lot of effort to maneuver it on the Connecticut back roads. So I've been very pleased.
This is great.
Thanks.
So
We
is this going
try
be...
to have, we brought the 9-liter Fiat last year.
Yes.
We try to have something distinctive.
Oh, I appreciate that. And congratulations, you
Thank
did it.
you.
But you could never, I'm sorry, you couldn't get anything bigger than that 9-liter. So that thing was wild.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely wild.
I know, I need to get Marty out in it.
Oh, good.
I don't know if I can get in that.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'll take your place.
Yeah, that's right. It is a good point. I don't know.
That's very kind of you.
I'm so magnanimous. Well, anytime, just give me a call. I'll take a run up to Connecticut.
Always good to see you.
Pleasure. Thank you very
Enjoy.
much. Oh, yeah. Happy Hershey.
Thank you. Likewise.